it short. You know what I'm saying? That's the Australian version.
Is that right?
I'm sorry to offend any Australians. Hello everybody, my name is Perry. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to shave this lovely man's beard. As you can see here, get down in the camera. As you can see, his beard has thoroughly grown out. It is nice and fluffy. You can grip it. So if you need him to come and speak to you, you can grip him by the beard. But it is time to let this go, and I'm kind of winging it. I don't really know how to use his shaver very well. I've never shaved a man's face, so we're going to kind of play around with it. But I think the first thing I want to do is I want to clean up your beard, make it look nice, make it look even, kind of shave it down a little bit. We need scissors actually. Let me get scissors.
A few moments later.
We don't have any shears, so we're gonna use some kitchen scissors because we bougie like that. I'm gonna shape up his beard, and then I'm also gonna have him look at some different styles to kind of see what we can play around with after I'm done shaping it, because we're gonna do different styles. This is gonna be a whole salon. If you haven't already, go ahead and check out my other videos that I have posted and uploaded. I'm going to be on a more consistent uploading schedule, so please go check out the other videos. And also, if you feel like it, like and comment down below what you think his alter ego should be named, because each beard is going to have a different alter ego, obviously. I'm thinking, first things first, I want to trim it down a little bit. So let's have you face the camera. I'm gonna have you zoom in a little bit. Kitchen scissors. I just kind of want to trim you up a little. I'm a little nervous because I've never ever trimmed or done any kind of like beard maintenance. So we can thank Chris for letting me play around with this and allowing him to, or him allowing me to let him be my guinea pig. How do you phrase that?
Him allowing me.
Him allowing me.
Yeah, to be my
guinea pig.
Him allowing himself to be my guinea pig. I gotta shave my nose here.
Yes, you do. You want me to shave that too?
Yeah, we can.
You want me to get in the nose hairs?
Baby.
I can get real deep in nostrils.
No, I'm good. I think I'll use the shaver for that one.
This hasn't been recording.
Are you serious? This entire time?
It hasn't been recording.
Wait a minute, so what the I thought you pressed the button.
I thought I did too. No,
You couldn't have stopped it, do you?
It may
You don't think if you press the button and it just stopped?
But we're just gonna restart! Now, I'm very inexperienced when it comes to this, so bear with me. And there are a lot of things I'm probably getting wrong. We don't really have too many resources. We got kitchen shears to trim up his beard. So if you guys want to see the full video of me trimming his beard and grooming his beard with a full beard grooming kit, then like this video.
Just be careful with the tip, where the tip is going.
I know.
I trust you. I think you're a careful
Well, also,
person.
stop talking, because when it moves your throat, then I will snip your skin. I'm sorry, that's what I mean. I didn't mean stop talking.
It's okay.
I mean just stop moving your mouth so much.
You're so sweet. What? What did you say?
Stop! It's a TikTok sound.
Was it really?
Yeah. Chris is an old man. He doesn't get on TikTok.
Yeah.
I'm kind of scared that like I'm gonna do all of this trimming and it's not gonna look very different by the end of it. Like it just looks the same, and I'm like, I tried my best. Lift your head up a little bit. Show the world what your under chin looks like. So can I go ahead and put some earwax or some wax in your nostrils and wax your nose hairs out? Like,
Are you trying to get a divorce?
What did he say?
no, just trying to fix you up. Yeah, but you've seen those videos, right, where they like take some not earwax, I keep saying earwax. They take some hair removal wax and they put it in people's nostrils, like they put it on some Q-tips or something, put it in the nostrils, and then rip it out.
I mean,
do you think you'd ever do that?
I don't know, dude. Honestly, because I'm just like, I'm a simple man.
A simple man?
I just use the nose hair trimmer.
Yeah, I'm trying to be real careful around your mustache so that I can line it up nicely. So I really need that comb. Like, I'm telling you, we're out of resources.
You can achieve this with this right here, I think.
With the, you think that'd be easier?
Yeah.
With the razor?
Because I've done it with the razor before. But the way that I do it.
Look at him trying to mansplain me. He's mansplaining right now. He's trying to tell me how to do things. professional. I know how to do these
Really?
things. Yeah.
You started the video by saying you don't have a lot of experience with this stuff.
That's a lie. It's hot. I'm sweating like schoolboy in a whorehouse.
Oh my lord.
His mustache is literally going into his lip. Like,
When I'm eating, it's so annoying.
compared to the other side of the lip, oh wow, that's clean. She clean shaven.
Disgusting!
Alright, so my camera overheated and we had to take a quick intermission. But we're back and we're better than ever. You can see it's a lot more even on the bottom.
Definitely.
Like it's definitely more like better shaped. You still got this little goat beard right here. Look at that, look at that. Yum.
Got a life of his own.
Yeah, and that's what I look forward to waking up to seeing every single day. Yep, sure do.
Sure. Yep.
Yep, sure do.
Yep.
Sure as the day is long. Yep.
Yep.
Want me to like yank your head back? Some just flew into my nose.
Really?
Technique, Squidward. Technique.
Is that an actual SpongeBob quote?
Yeah.
Really? From what
You
episode?
don't know about that?
No.
You never heard Technique,
I mean,
Squidward?
honestly, maybe I've heard of it. If I watch the episode, I'm sure I'll remember.
Yeah, maybe. Maybe you're just not a real SpongeBob fan.
Damn.
Emotional damage!
I think I'm satisfied with that. Because really, you've got a couple patches, so I won't be able to get that full, clean, shaven look. However, it does look a little bit more touched up.
Yeah,
you
especially
can
around
like
my
turn
lips.
to the side, like you can see underneath, and like the edge right here is a little bit more defined, and same on this other side. More defined. Looks good. So now, let's play around with it. I was thinking of maybe giving you a lightning bolt.
Really?
Yeah.
How the hell are you gonna do that?
I'll do it underneath your chin. Upside down. Go on, let me see it. You're just going in the area and doing it in the shape of a lightning bolt. Let me see. I actually have a better idea. Hold on. It's your avatar symbol.
Avatar. It's a f***ing arrow. Unbelievable. I guess that's different, baby.
You have a new responsibility. How else are you gonna hide that you're the avatar? You gotta keep it in a more discreet place. No one's gonna look under your chin. I mean, that's about as many ideas as I had, so thanks for watching. I think maybe we can shave off the sides, do a
Let's
little
do that.
goatee look.
Yeah, let's see what's popping with that.
Yeah. Ooh. You look like a proper Latin man.
No.
Spicy man.
Curious to see where
You're a
this is
spicy man.
Bless you. Bless you. Bless you.
Okay. I'm like the beauty parlor princess because I get to do whatever I want to your face. I wanted to try and do a little like long goatee. I don't know what's the right term for that beard where you have like more beard going underneath.
I mean, a goatee, you got like stuff right here.
Yeah, of course, but like there's a name for like a beard that...
Are you talking about the one that just goes along the edge right here?
Yeah.
But this goes up right here too?
Yeah, but you need some mutton chops. You
Yeah, of
don't really
course.
have any mutton
Yeah,
chops.
no, I don't have that yet. I think
We're
I'm
manifesting
gonna get
mutton chops.
A few moments later.
Shuts off. I don't know why my camera keeps shutting off at random times. So if there's just random cuts in the footage, that is why. We won't have to talk to Sony about that. We're gonna have to draft an email or something. We have to do something about that because that's unacceptable. Also might be user error, but we're not gonna talk about that. I wanted to leave a little bit of mustache on the side right here because I wanted to give... Ooh, you got
dry skin.
little blackhead.
Oh really?
Yeah, I pulled your pimple down. Oh my god. See?
Oh, it's a little blackhead.
Yeah.
Don't flick it in my eyes though.
I'm not putting it in there.
Okay.
Why did you think I was gonna flick it in your eye?
You flicked a bug on me yesterday.
No, I did not. That is a dirty lie and you know it. You just trying to say it for the camera. You trying to show out for the camera.
No, girl, that's how you do it.
No, I did not flick a booger. You already say.
Not a booger, a bug.
Okay, you said booger at
I
first.
said bug.
I know you said booger.
No.
I'm gonna rewind this camera.
Go for it. You flicked a bug on me.
It was booger. You're trying to gaslight
everybody's
me.
gonna see that I was right.
He's gaslighting me.
Everybody's gonna see that I was
I'm
right.
being gaslit right now.
Nope.
I wanted to leave a little bit of extra mustache so that we could play with it a little bit, like maybe curl it or something. You know what I'm saying?
I do think it might be a little too short for that, maybe.
Hold on. This side went up. This side kind of didn't like that, so it's kind of pitiful. Okay. It's a look. Yeah. I think you should go to school like that tomorrow.
Really?
Yeah, I think
I
that's
just gotta leave my face like this?
Here, let me go ahead and shave the rest of your beard. Let me go ahead and shave your avatar symbol off. I don't want to confuse anybody. Your very poorly shaven avatar symbol.
I don't know how that's an arrow, bro. Okay.
They call this look noir et blanc. Your skin is so dry. This is what's been underneath this
It'll get fixed up in a minute.
crust. You desperately need beard oil. Alright, doing a little bit more of a clean goatee look. I'm gonna brush this off of you. My crusty boy.
Oh yeah.
I feel like you look so good with this. Like, you should do this style and rock it for a little while because it accentuates your jawline really well and your lips, your luscious lips. Comment down
You're so
below if
sweet.
you agree that Chris works this look very well. You turn to the side, it does a little point.
Don't pharaohs have like those little pointy chins?
I think so. I feel like you look like a new bitch every single time I shave it. Yeah.
It does change a lot, dude.
Yeah.
Facial hair changes
like
a lot.
when you kind of have like this amount of facial hair, it makes you look like young but mature. Oh yeah, that's a look.
Yeah.
My hand is dusted with your hairs. Look at that. You look like you could be like one of those cops.
Yeah, I kind of do. I can
Yeah.
put on cop looking sunglasses, like those 80s ones.
Yeah.
Should I do that? Should I grow a thick mustache?
Yeah, kind of like that.
Or should I do
You look
fucking...
so different.
Should I
like,
do-
that looks so weird. Oh my gosh.
Should I do park ranger?
Yeah, be a park ranger. I'll
With
get
the
you a
fucking
little
hat? Like the Yogi Bear, what is it?
We on the same wavelength,
hat.
baby. Yep.
With the thick mustache, the
Big
sunglasses,
mustache,
shorts, khaki
Utility
shorts.
belt.
Khaki shorts.
And boots with the long socks.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and shave off the
Yeah,
rest of
'cause
this
it's
because it's
running
about
out of
to die. I have to do the Charlie Chaplin.
Whoa! Yeah, that's actually kind of Charlie Chaplin looking.
Yeah, I try to avoid Hitler.
No, that one's I think a little smaller than this.
Yeah,
This one's wider. So
Yeah.
it's not quite Hitler.
not quite Hitler. Not there yet. Alright, and my boy is clean. Nice and clean shaven. You look so young whenever
I
you
know,
shave off
dude.
your-
It looks so
your
different,
beard.
bro.
Wow.
What the f***? Thank you. You're too sweet.
If you liked this content you've seen here, consider subscribing, maybe liking the video, and commenting down below any inquisitive question, any thought, anything that you have. Leave it in the comment section below. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.